Alright, we're checking out an earpad installation for the HyperX Cloud Stinger Core Wireless 7.1. Now there is a lot of Cloud Stinger headphones out there. You have the original Cloud Stinger headphones, these ones. You also have the Cloud Stinger Core, and of course the ones we're looking at, the Cloud Stinger Core Wireless 7.1s. Important thing to note, the Cloud Stinger Core earpads are much smaller than the Stinger Core Wireless 7.1 earpads. So if you're looking for earpads for Cloud Stinger Core, you have to specifically look for that. If you're looking for Cloud Stinger Core Wireless 7.1 earpads, you have to specifically look for that. Now, the Cloud Stinger original version here, these earpads are the same size as the Stinger Core Wireless. So you can interchange those ones, no problem. But the Stinger Core, too small. All right, let's take a look at what we have here. We have our earpad with some skirting on the back, and this skirting is going to fit into the slot on the side of the headphones, and it ends up hugging it once you have it all in place. All right, so we're gonna do a removal of earpads. Nice and easy. Just grab the side of the earpad and pull and peel. And the same one on the other side, pull and peel. They are the same earpad, so there's no left or right. There's just an up and down, obviously that's sideways. And there's no stitching on the bottom or the top. So yet again, there's no real up or down or left or right. As long as you got them installed like this, you're good to go.
If this video is helping you out, Monty, the AHG dog, wants you to smash that like button and share it with a friend, because this is how he gets more biscuits. Don't forget that 60% of the time, it's a great idea every time to subscribe and hit those bell notifications and stay in the loop with all of our news, reviews, and how-tos.
Alright, so for the installation, if you have new earpads, they're most likely going to have a tighter skirting on the back. So first thing you need to do is stretch it. So just grab it like this and stretch it. Go all the way around, just pulling it apart. The material is quite strong. You only need medium force. Just do that. And then also stretch it this way, all the way around. That'll make it a bit easier to install. Now you want to make a ledge on the top part of the earpad, because you want to be able to fit that little ledge you have there into the slot right here, like so. Yeah. Once that's in place, you want to make sure the whole top is in to the slot. Now the way I do it is basically you just take your finger, you go underneath, past the pad. So here's the ear pad, you go past there, underneath into the skirting, and you're just going to push up. That skirting eventually just falls into place as you go around the headphone. So just pushing up, pushing up, pushing up. So let's get lined up again here. There we go. Now I have holding it in place, rotating, holding it in place. And you can see I'm just pulling up with my fingers underneath that skirting, and it just falls in place. And then the last thing you want to do is just give it a little wiggle, and then it looks like it's aligned there. So that one's on. All right, stretch. And stretch out this way. Get it on that corner. Make sure the whole top is in. Yep. Pretty good. Gonna hold it here. Up and in, up and in, up and in. Just keep poking up, and it keeps falling in. Right. That looks in to me. I'm just gonna give it a little wiggle. There you go. If you have any questions, put them in the comments down below.